Hello everyone, I am back, Legend Kyle here, and this is a tutorial of how to make something, and I'll show you here in a bit. Well, in a few seconds. And it's in this yellow box right here. I just do this when I'm bored. We are gonna make bracelets. Yay! They're gonna look like this. So first of all, you'll need, I gotta stop. You need one of these hooks that look like an S. Okay, drop that one. Oh my gosh. Sorry, in one of my videos they kept being annoying. So that loaded. So you need the hook. Then you'll have two colors. You put them on your finger, then you twist it to make an X. Then you put it like that. Then you get a different color. Then you get a different color. Then you put it above that one like this. Then you put the red on, put the bottom one on top, just like that. Then you get that same color, and you go like that. You do the same thing, you put over your fingers, over the X, then you do what I just did, and it'll be like this. Then you do it till it's long enough. And I'm going to show you right now how to hook it all together. So you take the hook, when you have the two strings, the string on both your fingers, you take the middle, put down the middle finger and put the whole string on the pointer. And then you'll go like, so you don't make an X no more, then you put it back on the middle finger. Then you take the S and where there's an opening, you shove in there. Then on the way end, then you do it again, just put it on your finger, just like that. Then you just hook it up again, and that'll be your bracelet that you made. So yeah, that is all. It was just a quick 3-minute video, and we all know that I'll see you next in the next video. Bye bye.